Today we're going to take a look at test settings and how to change those functionalities from the settings screen. So to begin, we are going to click on settings. We're going to enter our handy dandy password. Then we're going to click on profile/test settings. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to click on test settings. And notice you'll see diagnosis after test. This is the diagnosis page where you would normally pick. You can either have that shown or not have it shown. You can change it at any time. We're going to have it shown now. The D15 after the test. This is a guarantee whether the pop-up will appear or will not appear and allow the D15 to be taken after the Waggoner computerized color vision test. We're going to go ahead and click yes. Do we want to display ICD 9 or 10? I think it's about time that everybody's on ICD-10. So let's go ahead and click that. And then auditory answers is when you click on an answer while taking the test, it will respond with saying the answer back to you. However, sometimes this is really user dependent, and we're going to click no. And then you can always upload your logo as well as change where the results are saved from this page as well. Go ahead and click save. And boom, you're all done. Everything's been updated. Thank you so much for visiting Waggoner Diagnostics, and we hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.